Alright students, I recommend you watch this video on a home computer or laptop while following along on your iPad. This video will walk you quickly through how to access Noodle Tools and how to cite books, web pages, and online encyclopedia articles for your project. Start on the Library Haiku page and scroll down to the Bibliographic Tools tab on the left. Follow the link to Noodle Tools and click Menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen to log in. Use the information you set up in class. Your username is just first initial, last name, 24, and your password is your 5-digit student ID number. Enter those two things and hit sign in. And that'll take you to the Noodle Tools projects page. If your page is blank and there are no projects listed, go ahead and create a new one for the mind map. Just type last name, mind, map, MLA citation style, junior level. Hit submit. The site will take you to the dashboard page, which we're not going to use. So once you wind up at the dashboard page, look for the tab right next to it on the top of your screen that says Sources. Click there. This page is where we start for any citation we're going to make. And any citation starts with the Create New Citation button. Let's start by citing a book. So a book is something you can hold in your hand. So select the third category and then find book. If you're citing a book that you found in a classroom or on the library cart, you want to start with author. Look for the bar that says Roll and click the drop-down arrow. Select author. Give first name, last name, and then if you need to add another contributor, such as a second author or an editor or an illustrator, you can do that there. Next, give the title of the book, spelling correctly and capitalizing. Then, on one of the first pages in the book, on the inside, you'll see a page with lots of fine print on it. Look for that page because there you will find the company that published your book, the year in which it was published, and then the city where the publishing company is based. If you're having trouble finding this page, I bet Mom or Dad could help you find it. Once you enter those things, author, title, publisher, year, and city, scroll to the top and click Submit, that green button. That's books. Let's talk about online encyclopedia articles. Once again, any citation starts with the green button. Online articles are online, so you can select the website category and look over to the right for the tab that says Reference Source. Encyclopedias are reference sources. Now, for these, we have a nice shortcut. Instead of entering all this information manually, look for the link at the top of your screen that says Copy and Paste a Citation. Find the white box that says Manually Edited Citation. We're going to copy and paste something into this box to do the process for us in a flash. So let's say I found a good article on World Book. I just want to scroll to the top of the page and click on the gear symbol in the top right-hand corner and select Citations. And right there, World Book gives me the citation already written out for this web page. So I'm going to copy it and just paste it into this box. And then I'll scroll to the top and hit Submit. There's a nice new citation. And if I'm going to do it for Britannica, exact same process. Let me show you where to find the citation on a Britannica article. Here's an article on the Townsend Acts. Top right hand side of the screen, look for the box with a little check mark in it. Click it. Once again, drops down a little tab that gives you the citation already written out. So you just copy this and paste it into that same box we used for World Book. Voila. That's how you cite an online article in an encyclopedia in 30 seconds. Finally, what if we have found just a good website that we want to cite? Let's create a new citation again. It's a website. Web page. go with the first article. This is for just a general website. Here's one I found on the Boston Tea Party on history.com. The first thing I need to cite is the URL, the address of the website. Copy that at the top of your Safari browser, and let's paste it in the first box that says URL. Then let's just enter two more things. Let's enter the name of the specific page we were on history.com, and that is Boston Tea Party. I'm capitalizing, as you can see. Make sure to do so if you are citing a website. And then the name of the website is just history. If you want to be really official, this is something you'll be asked to do next year. Give the actual date that you accessed that website, or the most recent date you were on it. And then click Submit. And that, folks, is how you cite books, online encyclopedia articles,